Hey, cozy friends, happy Monday. Let's make a delicious, sweet, but healthy dessert. Let's go.
Welcome to the Lifestyle Channel by Rachel Terrell, where healthy meets homemade. Join the journey to better living, one step at a time.
All right, cozy friends, let's start with our avocado. Peel it. All right, now let's add a couple of spoons of the Manuka honey. I think one will be just fine. Or no, we can do two. All right. Okay, next we're going to do, let's do 2 spoons of the cocoa. Now this next one, you can either use almond milk, coconut milk, whatever kind of milk you want. I'm going to use some of this almond milk and oat milk creamer. You can also use some pistachio milk if you want to, your preference. Okay. We'll maybe do 1.5. Okay, time to blend. You want to make sure you get all of it off the sides. Blend it again. All right, that's what it looks like. So we'll go ahead and put it in our dessert bowl. And then you can add whatever you want. If you want to put whipped cream on top, you can do that. I prefer strawberry pieces. And then comes the taste test. And this is so good, you guys. It's so delicious. All right, let's try it. If you love avocado and you love chocolate, you will love this. Thanks for watching, cozy friends.